What's up, guys? Exhaust Power. I got my rear seats out of the Prelude. I pulled them a while ago, but now I'm just getting around to putting the seat covers on. So I did go ahead and get the blue leather seat covers for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and I'll show you how it looks after the fact. Um, I should go over exactly how the blue seat covers look and stitching and all that, but I kind of went through the basics on the first video when I unboxed the front seats. So the rear seats should be very similar to that effect. So I'm just gonna basically throw them on, and you'll get to see how it looks after and the fitment, and hopefully it fits really well like the front seats do. So these are the seat covers. I just noticed something. I don't know what that is right there. When speaking to the company, they told me right out that they don't do the middle seat cover, or sorry, I should say the middle center console, the one that goes to the back seats, aka the sex blocker. So I don't know what that is. I guess we'll find out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get things going and show you how it looks like. So I got the seat covers on, and it looks okay. It doesn't look as good as the front, but maybe because part of the reason is my seats aren't as fit as they used to be. They are kind of deformed. So, and a little bit of it is a seat cover also. So yeah, I think the tops look really well. The only modifications I had to make for the top, which everyone is going to have to, you're going to have to cut a slot in there for that seat to lock in, and I think that was it. You could cut a slit in here to get things to pass through, but I did actually, yeah. It's been a while. It's probably been a couple months since the first video of the rear seats. Probably 2-3 months. So I've been kind of busy on other things. But the seats look alright. I'm hoping once they're squished in to the back, and you know, you have the sex blocker squeezing in between the both seats there, and that'll look pretty decent. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to pull the interior on the Prelude, and I'm gonna put I decided, because I was trying to figure out if I was gonna put the blue carpet in or the black carpet, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the blue one in. They're not exactly the same color as these covers, kind of darker. Even like to my eyes, it's close to green, like a greenish blue. Maybe it's just my eyes, but I got the interior out of the Prelude. I'm gonna put this carpet in. It actually looks similar to the Japanese blue that comes in the Prelude. If I can find a picture, I'll post it right there. But I'm starting with the driver's side, and I'm just stapling it into these plastic holders here that hold into the door seal. So I'm starting with that, and I'm just gonna staple them in. Then I'm gonna work my way around for like the trunk release. Start with that, then just keep working my way around. And I was trying to trace the old one, but I don't think that's gonna work properly with me. So I'm taking this step, and yeah, we'll cut back and see how it looks like once it's all installed. Alright, this is as far as I'm gonna go today. So far it's coming along. So I just basically stapled the sills in and cut out the center console part, and that's as far as I'm going to get. I may just start putting the front seats in and drilling, get like a small drill bit, find the hole, drill the hole out, and do it that way to find all the holes.